Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Tyler wig by Henry Margu in the color 60R, which is a really pretty soft, natural white color. It's kind of like a light gray. It's very pretty, very natural looking. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this for you a little bit so you can kind of see that it is not a static, costumey looking white. It does have variation of tone. It has a little bit of silver, a little bit of gray mixed in, but the overall appearance is definitely white. I want to show you the top of this Henry Margu wig. Oh, it's so nice. Their monofilament wigs are beautiful. That is just so natural looking. This one does not have a lace front. It is under knotted at the front hairline though, and I'll show you what that means when I take off the cap. So yeah. Now my bio hair is popping through a little bit. You can see it here, you can see it here. If I were going to wear a wig this short, I would definitely get it in a color that matched my own bio hair, which is akin to like a 4. So it's like a dark brown. Let's talk some specs, shall we? Tyler is only 2.5 ounces and she's way more manageable in person than you would probably be able to tell from the product pictures. She's not super poofy. She doesn't have a crazy amount of volume, no, but you can get her there. You can definitely poof her up. She's made to be poofed if you want her that way. So I will fluff Tyler up a little bit for you. You know what, in this color, and please don't think I'm using this as a knock, because I actually mean this in a totally good way. This reminds me of Dorothy's hair in the later seasons of the Golden Girls, because she actually had kind of a cute haircut. She had a bit of a shag, and it was really feathered, and it was really fluffed up, and it was this color. So yeah, I mean, so I'm not talking about the granny bowl cut that she had at the beginning of the series. I'm talking about later seasons when she actually started to have some style. Like this is really cute. I like this wig. It has a lot of texture. The cap construction is very comfortable and very secure. It has a huge strip of polyurethane right at the front hairline that I'll show you when I take it off that makes it really secure. It's basically got its own built-in wig grip. Look at that. That puppy's not going anywhere. I love it. So, look at all the texture, razored deliciousness, just everywhere. So yeah, don't be upset that you see my bio hair popping through. If anything, it gives you an indication of what the coverage is like and the importance of picking wigs in colors that are similar to what you got. So let me go ahead and do a little 360 for you so you can see what Tyler looks like all the way around. I'm just going to kind of leave her fluffed up like this since I think that this really brings out the most of the layering and you can kind of use your imagination a little bit better this way. This wig only weighs 2.5 ounces. It's very light. The front is 4 inches, but it's slightly curled, so it won't go in your eyes, which is great. The crown down is also 4 inches. Sides are about 2 to 3 inches. Back again, about 2 to 3.5 inches, and the nape is 2.75. So it's very short, very manageable. It's definitely made to be a shake and go. This one fits very true to average. So this will fit most women like a glove. It's a little snug on me because I have an average large cap size of 23.5 inches in circumference. So if you're in the same boat, this one might be a little snug on you, but it's not uncomfortable. But you might want to get some adhesive or something if that's the case. This one's really meant for somebody who's got a true average cap size. So I'm going to go ahead and take Tyler off now so I can show you all these cap features I've been talking about. First of all, now that it's fluffed and off my head, I got to show you all of the texture because this one's got a ton of it. Just a ton of texture, which is great. Now I'm going to go ahead and invert the cap. Check out this giant strip of polyurethane. Oh, that's fantastic. It's gummy and grippy and awesome. And then, you know, you've got your hand-tied monofilament top. It is a single monofilament top. The reason why it looked so peach underneath is because I've got this wig cap on underneath. It is open on the sides, open in the back. Does not have an extended nape because it's short, but does have little patches of felt here on the side for your Velcro adjusters. And then you also have open ear tabs, which is a nice touch because you can wear glasses or readers with it. Good stuff. It does stretch pretty well. Let me show you that part before I make it right side in again. Stretches nicely here on the side. Definitely made to be a monofilament shake and go wig. And it does have a teeny tiny little bump of permatease right at the crown. But that's because this wig would look really weird if it didn't have a little bit of body to it. I mean, the layering in the back in particular just wouldn't lay right if it didn't have that little bit of permatease keeping it from laying flat. You know, sometimes hair needs structure to stay in place because, you know, finding a good stiff synthetic hairspray, it's like the quest for the Holy Grail, my friends. It's really difficult. Most synthetic hairsprays do not hold that well. You know, they're all kind of like medium to light hold. And so that little bit of permatease kind of helps you out there. And you never have to back comb it because you should never back comb a synthetic wig unless you're like a stage performer or something and you don't mind, you know, kind of damaging the wig a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on my head now. I love that polyurethane strip. And just for kicks, I'm going to smooth Tyler out a little bit. She really does look best messy though. And there you go. This is the Tyler wig by Henry Margu in the color 60R, which is a really nice soft off-white color. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. I'm going to try to review as many colors as I possibly can, so that way, you know, I'm bound to hit on something for everybody and help everybody out as much as possible. So stay tuned. Hopefully I'll hit on a color that helps you out. And until next time, check out my channel, check out my website if you get a chance. It's CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs. And have a great night. Bye-bye.